Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to transfer money from M-PESA to Binance. Follow along as I guide you. First off, log into your Binance account. At the bottom of the home page, tap on Assets. It's the option with the wallet icon. Next, tap Add Funds and then choose P2P Trading. On the next screen, make sure that you're on the Buy tab and select USDT as the asset. Then select your currency. Scroll through or search for Kenyan shillings. Enter the amount of Kenyan shillings you want to spend and tap Confirm. Choose your payment method by selecting M-PESA and confirm that as well. You'll now see a list of sellers who are trading USDT and accept M-PESA as a payment method. Take a moment to check how many trades each seller has completed, their ratings, and the amount of USDT they have available. Once you find a seller that you're comfortable with, tap Buy, confirm your trade details, and place the order. You'll receive the seller's M-PESA account details. Now, go to your M-PESA app and send the payment. Once done, return to Binance and upload your proof of payment. Once you've uploaded the proof, click Transferred, Notify Seller. Binance will alert the seller and they will release the USDT to your Binance wallet. And that's how you transfer money from M-PESA to Binance. If you have any issues or questions, drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you next time.